The InFocus software suite offers powerful synergy among its three core products, AutoTrack, AutoPlan, and SmartAlert, to enhance production efficiency. AutoTrack captures live production data in real time, providing accurate and up-to-date progress of every task on the shop floor. Using the job tracking component, AutoTrack then passes the data directly to AutoPlan, which automatically adjusts the schedule by trimming time-off tasks based on actual performance, ensuring that the schedule remains accurate and up-to-date. SmartAlert is constantly monitoring specific data conditions in AutoTrack and AutoPlan and proactively alerts the appropriate personnel of information needed, which assures a seamless workflow. By linking these products, InFocus enables dynamic scheduling adjustments, minimizes downtime, and optimizes resource allocation, resulting in a more streamlined and responsive production process. Transform your operations using Industry 4.0 technology with InFocus.